Billy Jack on location at the old Jodo Mission in Honolulu, Hawaii. This is the third building I've come across. It's got the flattened onion domes on top of them. In fairly good condition. Stairs going up to the top of it. Kind of almost minaret Islamic feel to it. Large staircase going up. Right off, windows at ground level. The glare is very bright out here. The freeway is right next to us, so pardon the traffic noise. I'll try to get my voice in here so you can see what I'm looking at. As we come toward the north side of the structure itself, we have the Tantalus Mountain Range right to our backs here. It goes down quite a ways. Easily a good 12, 15, maybe longer, deeper down. Mud flooded. Beautiful pink color. Way down.